Formerly named Bonfante Gardens, Gilroy Gardens is a family theme park in the West Gilroy foothills in Gilroy, California, with a major focus on horticulture, atmosphere, and the intricately crafted circus trees. It's here that guests can enjoy the abundant and lush greenery that surrounds and covers the park, as well as rides, games, and some delicious food. Gilroy Gardens is the living dream of a man by the name of Michael Bonfante, and that dream came from Michael's love of horticulture. Having been highly involved in the family's supermarket business in the early 1970s, Michael found comfort for his often stressful life in trees and their calming nature. In 1977, Michael opened the Nob Hill Family Park as a botanically themed recreational facility for his employees. In the following years, Michael toured theme parks and public gardens around the world to learn as much as he could and apply it to his own park in Gilroy. During that time, Michael wondered whether he could open a tree-themed park to the public, but ultimately decided that, while the park could be incredibly beautiful, it would eventually need rides to be economically viable. In 1985, Michael learned of some ailing trees in the nearby Scotts Valley, known as circus trees. The trees had been planted by a man named Axel Erlandson, who transformed them into intricate and complex designs. Following Erlandson's death in 1964, a man named Mark Premack attempted to save the circus trees, but only 31 of them survived. Michael Bonfante later bought the trees and transported them to their permanent home in Gilroy. Michael also purchased more land and expanded his facility, which is currently 536 acres. Michael imported trees from places like Holland and Italy, and brought in rocks from places like Idaho and Montana. In 1988, Nob Hill Family Park became Hecker Pass, a family adventure, and Michael began offering the facility to other companies to enjoy. Hecker Pass operated through the year 2000 while the theme park was being constructed. As the size of Michael's Nob Hill food stores had grown to 27 stores and 2,500 employees, Michael found that he couldn't afford to run the stores and build his theme park. So he decided to sell the stores and place the proceeds in a community trust to ensure the park's opening. In June 2001, the Bonfante Gardens theme park opened as California's only horticultural theme park. The park's name changed to Bonfante Gardens Family Theme Park in 2002. Michael's personal touch and the idea that man-made gives way to nature can be seen throughout the park, in paths that bend around rocks, his favorite basket tree, and Bonfante Falls, which Michael personally helped build. Bonfante Falls represents the 5 primary waterfall styles found in nature. In 2005, Bonfante's Splash Garden was added, and in 2007, the park's name changed to Gilroy Gardens Family Theme Park, and Gil the Garlic Guy was added as the park mascot. In the following years, Gilroy Gardens built additional rides and has incorporated festive holiday celebrations and events throughout the year.
Hey, quiet.